For today's easy flower piping tutorial, I will teach you how to pipe a buttercream sunflower using two-toned icing. We'll begin with the number 352 piping tip and make sure to line your accent color up with one of the points. To begin, we are going to pipe a ring in the center of our flower nail. We're going to use this as a guide. Attach a square of parchment. Holding your tip with the accent color at the top, we'll begin piping our petals. So rest your piping tip on the flower nail. Make sure that you're using the ring as a guide. You're going to apply pressure, pull back, and then sharply pull away, turning in between each petal. To get a nice, full, symmetrical looking flower, ensure that the petals are about the same length. Now that we have finished the first layer, we're going to increase the tip angle slightly and pipe a second layer in the exact same manner, but we want these petals to be just a little bit shorter than the previous layer. Now, as always, all of these instructions as well as the full buttercream recipe can be found down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. Now, if you wanted, you could absolutely stop here, but I'm going to add a third layer. So I'm going to increase the angle of my piping tip to about 45 degrees. And again, I'm going to make this layer of petals slightly shorter than the previous layer. We'll just continue piping in that same motion. So apply pressure, pull back, sharply pull away, and turn in between each petal. If you wanted a bigger sunflower, just start with a bigger base ring. Now I'm going to switch to a number 18 tip with some chocolate buttercream. I'm just going to pipe some small circles right in the middle of my flower to finish off the center. And that's how you pipe a sunflower. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.